Great job, sir. Dr. Hansen's offered to stay on with us for now, and I think her skills will be invaluable.
It's hard to believe I'm even here.
Great to have you, Doc. How you planning on pitching in?
Well, your medical facilities are medieval, and your science expertise is non-existent. Perhaps I could start there.
Ouch. Well, I guess you might be able to teach Stedman a thing or two. Welcome aboard, Doc.
Guess you heard the news by now, Raynor. Looks like you're back in business.
That I am, Mr. Hill. And fighting a Zerg and Dominion all at once is going to take its toll on my standing forces. You got any guns for hire?
But you know the invasion makes it a seller's market right now. Still, your bartender over there makes a hell of a Mai Tai. So, sure, I've got some mercenary contracts you might be interested in.
You're all heart, Mr. Hill. You meet Dr. Hansen yet?
Sure did. I asked that sweet thing if she'd like to give me a physical. No harm in asking, right? I think she's got her eye on some pansy ass, though.
Yeah? Who might that be?
Oh, I don't know. Some white knight kind of guy came charging down to save a colony, maybe. Damn, Jimmy. You never could read the ladies.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN. We've got Kate Lockwell on remote feed from Agria, a fringe colony. Are you there, Kate? Okay, we seem to be having a sound problem with... I'm being told Emperor Mangsk is going to address us directly. Let's take you to his announcement already in progress.
My finest military minds are being brought to bear, and it's my pleasure to announce that they'll soon be led by the hero of Taurus himself, General Horace Warfield.
Warfield? I thought he retired years ago.
With General Warfield at the helm, and our finely honed Dominion military under his command, I have every confidence that this new Zerg threat will be contained very soon.
There you have it, viewers. With Warfield in command, the Zerg swarm will be defeated in no time. Up next, Raynor ups his campaign of terror just as the Zerg reappear. Coincidence? You decide after these messages.
I should really take this down. Guess the crew thinks it's cool or something.
I've heard a lot about you, Commander. The Dominion always portrayed you as a criminal, terrorist. There's more to you than it seems.
Well, with the Dominion being what it is, someone's got to stand up for the little guy. It sure ain't gonna be Mengsk.
Doesn't seem like the Emperor cares at all. My people from Agria and displaced populations from across the sector have all fled to a refugee staging area on Meinhof. There are reports of violence and disease spreading throughout the camps, but the Emperor's done nothing.
I'll look into it, Doc. It sure felt good rescuing those folks. But there's millions more out there that need help, too.
We can't be everywhere at once, sir. The important thing is that we set an example and gave them hope. Every time we help folks in need, it's another step on the road to a better future.
I know, Matt. But it's been 4 years and we're still no closer to bringing Mengsk down. Now with the Zerg back in the mix, your better future needs to hurry up and get here, or there's gonna be no one left to see it.
I hear the mighty Jim Raynor's on the move, but short on funds. The planet Redstone's got the most valuable minerals around. And with the Zerg invasion, the Kilmorians backed up and left it all behind. Some enterprising men could turn a big profit there. Meet me at Redstone if you want a piece of the action.
Redstone. Heck of a place. I ever mention how much I hate volcanic planets?
Good to see you made it. They call me Tash. You help me mine the minerals I need, and I'll make it worth your while.
What's the catch?
Well, this place is a little unstable. The low ground gets flooded with lava every few minutes. Of course, that's where the richest mineral nodes are found. But that'll be no problem for a big, tough guy like you.
Sir, I'm also picking up Zerg biosignatures on the surface. We'll need to spend some of what we mine just to defend the operation. The more we spend, the longer this is gonna take.
Lava and Zerg. Two of my favorite things. Let's do this.
In the rear with the gear. SCV ready. Yep.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Lava's rising. Get those SCVs to high ground, right now.
Roger. Huh? SCV ready. Yeah. Ah! You scared me.
Not enough minerals.
Move it. It's your dime. SCV ready.
This better be good.
Bad news?
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
This counter shows the estimated time until the next lava surge. Move all units and structures to high ground when a surge is imminent.
Armed and ready.
Sure thing.
Not enough minerals.
Who wants some?
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
I got some friends coming to help you out. Reapers.
Reapers, you say? Hell, cowboy, we gotta train more of these guys. They're seriously badass.
What's going on? You the man.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Huh? Go ahead. Big job, huh? Ah! You scared me! In the rear with SCV ready. Move it!
Not enough minerals.
Go, go, go! Some of my boys disappeared in this area. Wanna see if they're still alive? Got something for me to kill? This better be good.
SCV ready. SCV ready.
Mineral field.
Who wants some?
Tosh sent you to help? About time. Let's finish up this contract and get the hell off this planet.
Sir, scanners show a large biosignature close to your position. A Brutalisk, I think. If you could kill it, that'd get our research off to a flying start.
Mineral field depleted.
Nothing.
Mineral field depleted.
On the way.
Add-on complete. Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
You're the Reaper Man. Oh yeah, baby. Armed and ready.
Go ahead. Bad news?
Mineral field depleted.
Yep. Yeah, whatever.
Mineral field depleted.
Who wants some?
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised.
Just a reminder, sir. The more minerals we expend on forces, the longer it's going to take to reach our goal. Try to be economical.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Ah! You scared me! Bad news?
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
This better be good.
Go ahead. We hear you. Huh? Bad news? Well, butter my biscuit. Ah! You scared me! In the rear with the gear.
Fear the Reaper Man. On the way. Oh, that's all? I'm going. Yes, indeed. All right. The Grim Reaper has arrived. Certainly. Fair enough.
Mineral field depleted.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Upgrade complete.
Done. Agreed. Here comes the pain. Since you're doing right by me, I'll do right by you. Here's the coordinates of the nearest mineral nodes. I'm coming.
Mineral field depleted.
Get from above.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Got something for me to kill. Done. Let's do this. The Grim.
Mineral field depleted.
Big job, huh? In the rear with the gear.
What? You want something?
Mineral field depleted.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
What's going on? Gotcha. Sure thing.
Base is under attack.
Got something for me to kill. Oh, that's all? The Grim Reaper has arrived. Yes.
Upgrade complete.
All right. I'm going. Fair enough.
Your men work fast. We've already got half the minerals we need.
Agreed.
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised.
Reaper has arrived.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately. All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
In the rear with the gear. What's going on?
What? You want something? Oh, that's all? Nothing I can't handle. I'm going. Let's do a life of the Reaper. Yes, indeed. The Grim Reaper has arrived. All right, done. Certainly.
Base is under attack.
I'm listening. The Grim Reaper has arrived. I'm going. Man. What's it worth? Yeah, baby. Nothing.
Almost done, Mr. Rena. Just a few more minerals to go.
Yeah, from above.
Mineral field
The
depleted.
Grim Reaper.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Certainly. Fair enough.
Mineral field depleted.
Do this. Oh, yeah, baby.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. Got something for me to kill. Agreed. I'm listening. Oh, that's all. Yes. Yeah. Done. The Grim Reaper has arrived. Nothing I can't handle. What? You want something? All right. On the way. Let's... I'm listening. Whole lot of pain. Fair enough. Got something for me to kill. Yes, indeed.
All right, boys, nice work. We got what we came for. Now let's get out of this hellhole.
Finished already. We are as good as they say, Mr. Rena. I'm thinking you and I got a lot more business we